Hi, we're here at Piso Lechon at Baga, Manila. It attracted me because it really exemplifies whatever the heart of the Filipino nation is, which is lechon. Cebu lechon is known for the tenderness and the different kinds of texture. You see that? Oh my gosh, that's my dinner. Wow. Okay. And it's a roll. See, this is take a good look inside. It's the non-spicy kind. Anong nasa loob na itong lechon na to? Ano yung mga...
Yes, ma'am. Selected spices.
Selected spices. Parang mukhang gulay yan ah. Hindi siya gulay, talagang spicy. Oo. Gano'ng katagal kaya gawin ng... And then this is the spicy one.
Yes, ma'am.
Oo.
The cooking time of the lechon, ma'am, 3 hours.
3 hours pag nakaroll yun ng ganyan. Anong parte ng baboy ito?
Belly, ma'am.
Pork belly lahat yan. Alright. So this is what you feature. Cebu lechon. They call it Piso lechon. And then they have another product which is crispy lechon sisig. Now this is perfect pang pahaba ng buhay. You see it here? Okay. Kita mo yung balat. Kita mo lahat yan. Okay, this is like, wow, talagang makes a difference. Hi, Chachi.
May rice.
Are you with this Piso lechon? Huh? Come nearer. Tell me about it. Ano masarap sa product nyo? Ha? Bakit kami dapat kumain dito? Yes.
Not the regular one or spicy.
Okay, we have an order here. So, you can see him cutting it up.